The first option to create a line is to use the Draw Line tool in the Drawing Tool tab. Left-click on the Draw Line icon, then click anywhere in the drawing area. Drag the mouse at any direction you wish. Then left-click. Then press Escape button to terminate the command. Another way to create a line is by using the command keyboard shortcut, L. In your keyboard, type L to activate the line command. Drag the mouse at any direction you wish. Then left-click. Then press Escape button to terminate the command. Then if you wish to make a continuous segment of lines, just type command L. Left-click anywhere in the drawing area. Drag your mouse to another location, then left-click. You can make multiple continuous lines as you wish. Now when you're done, you can press Escape to terminate the line, or type command keyboard shortcut C to close your line segment into a polygon. Now if you wish to draw all straight vertical and horizontal lines, you can press keyboard command F8 to activate ortho mode. Type L to activate the line command, then left-click and drag anywhere in the drawing area. As you would notice, the direction of the line only follows the X-Y axis, which are the horizontal and vertical directions. You can deactivate the ortho mode by pressing again the F8 keyboard command. You can also create a line with a specific distance. Type L to activate the command line. Then left-click, then drag your mouse, then enter your desired distance. In this case, I'll type 1000 as its distance. Then press Enter. Press Escape to terminate the command. For more CAD tutorial videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a like and share for more fun and informative CAD tutorials. See you on the next video.